Hello smart learners, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's go to an extraordinary journey into the heart of Ethiopia, where a marvel of ancient architecture awaits. The Rock-Hewn Churches of Lalibela. Carved out of solid rock in the 12th century, these churches are a testament to human ingenuity, faith, and cultural heritage. Join me as we uncover the fascinating history, construction methods, and special features of this architectural wonder. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The story of Lalibela begins with King Lalibela himself, who sought to create a New Jerusalem in Ethiopia. Legend has it that he was divinely inspired to construct these churches after a spiritual journey to heaven. And so, the ambitious project began. Lalibela, a center of pilgrimage during medieval times, was chosen as the site for these remarkable structures. The rock-hewn churches were intended to provide Ethiopian Christians with a sacred place of worship, resembling the holy city of Jerusalem, and reducing the need for arduous pilgrimages to distant lands. The construction methods employed in creating these rock-hewn churches were nothing short of extraordinary. Builders started from the top, meticulously carving the churches downward into the solid rock. With simple hand tools like hammers and chisels, they shaped the stone to form impressive architectural elements, such as pillars, arches, and windows. One of the most iconic churches within the Lalibela complex is the Church of St. George, also known as the Bet Georgis. It stands alone, carved entirely from the ground below, with its striking cross-shaped design. The symmetry and precision of its construction are truly remarkable. Exploring the complex, we discover hidden passageways and interconnected tunnels that link the rock-hewn churches together. These narrow corridors, skillfully carved into the rock, served as pathways for pilgrims and added to the spiritual significance of the site. They symbolized the unity of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church and the shared journey of worship. As we conclude our virtual journey through the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, we are left in awe of the incredible craftsmanship, devotion, and historical significance they represent. These architectural wonders continue to captivate visitors from around the world, offering a glimpse into Ethiopia's rich cultural heritage. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating architectural adventures. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.